Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the right clue scroll. That's the only path to the Chronicle book. First, secure a clue from monster drops or impelings, then identify its tier. Once done, assemble a basic clue kit, teleports, a spade, and minimal combat gear so you can move quickly between steps. Make sure to note the clue's instructions immediately. Some steps require item combinations or location-specific actions. Start the trail right away. Delays increase the chance of mistakes or wasted supplies. Now run the trail. Follow coordinate maps, perform emote instructions, and present required items to NPCs when prompted. Use teleport shortcuts and lodestones to shave travel time, and conserve run energy with potions so you don't stall between steps. Pay attention to combination clues. If an item must be used on an object, do it exactly, because one missed action breaks the chain. Persist through multi-stage puzzles. Once you complete the last action, you'll be led to the casket that can contain the Chronicle. Open the final casket calmly and check your bank and collection log for the Chronicle book. If you don't receive it, verify that the clue was the correct tier that can award the Chronicle. Some items drop only from particular clue types. If something broke, repeat the trail or obtain another clue scroll and follow the steps precisely. If you still struggle, consult the community or clue helper resources for the precise emote or coordinate. Often a single missed action is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.